It's a Dollar Tree haul. And at the end, check out the Care Bear keychains that we picked up. What's your favorite? Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm here with a junk journal supply haul from Dollar Tree. So I went to the Dollar Tree. It's an older Dollar Tree. So sometimes the older stuff comes to the top, which is kind of cool. So I found a few things that were from before, which I was pretty excited about. So, of course, they had no shopping cart. They had shopping carts full of stuff everywhere. But, yeah. Anyway, so I probably, believe it or not, bought less than I would have. So here we go. This is the Dollar Tree haul. So I picked up some of these little treat bag things. They're kind of like it's a favor box, popcorn holder. Let the sand be your seat as the waves hit your feet. Sip back and relax. But I really like these especially. So their new packaging has 14 napkins. It's been a while since I've been to Dollar Tree. And so the mermaid pen, I'm getting ready to make some mermaid journals, and I thought the mermaid pen was adorable. Let the sand be your seat and the waves hit your feet. I love that. And so again, 14. I am collecting lemon stuff. I'm just about ready, and blue and yellow. So, but I was pretty excited to find these sticky notes. You get 75. Here's one of the things that came. I love this. I cut this out and it looks amazing with my white rose, antique roses kit. This looks beautiful with that. Very excited to get some achievement seals. I got some Minion washi tape to go with that Minion paper that I had gotten at Michael's a couple weeks ago. I got this. It has unicorns and hamburgers and tacos and pizza. The little sloth and a kitty and a puppy. I mean, it's just a really great little set of stickers. I don't know that I've ever seen that one before. I picked up these Minion stickers. They only had one, or I'd have gotten two to be able to do the things that I had there. I got this one, Dream Big, with the crystals. I thought that would be really pretty in my unicorn journal that I have coming. That's what I went in there to see if I could find any unicorn stuff. And I found all this. So I got 3 list pads. I had never seen this one with the flamingos. So that was exciting. The pink handkerchief and this one. Both pretty cool. Okay, we got more. Let's see. This one, I'd never seen that with the shells and the starfish. A Down by the Sea coloring book. Very cute. Very cute. Some more mermaid pins. And Never Stop Looking Up. And some more mermaid pins. And oh my gosh, I love this with the magnolia. I had started collecting some magnolia stuff, so that was kind of cool. I'd never seen these wooden beads. These remind me of the campfire girl beads that we would get for earning our stuff. So I thought that was kind of cool. Beads. That napkin. This one with the turtles. Love this one. I think that'll, and so these are 28. The spring fling, and these were 14 and 28. And another mermaid pen. This package of stickers, I'd never seen this. I really like this one. It's bright summer colors. Oh, I got these. Mason. But lemonade, I did my kitchen all in lemonade or lemons, and I thought that those would be fun to have in our kitchen. Okay. Oh my gosh, I had one of these before and I can't find it, so I was excited to find that. That's an oldie. This one's an oldie. Jonquils were my mom's favorite flowers, and she called them jonquils. She didn't call them daffodils, so I was glad to find that. This magnolia. And when I was checking out, I got these Care Bear keychains. I almost have enough stuff to make the Care Bear journals. Look at these cards with the shoes. So they're new cards. 6 have 6, but aren't those adorable? Oh my gosh. And then that. And they had one of this. And these reminded me of the Partridge Family. I'm going to put it in my 60s stuff. And then that. And that shoe. Oh my gosh. So, and then I picked up a couple of books. The 3 Martini Lunch. I thought they were cool because they already are that thick. Now the thing is they are, let's see if we can find a paper. My thumb doesn't want to. So these are, so it will be kind of big, but if I use 12 by 12 cardstock, and I have a couple of other papers that are bigger that I can use to bring that down, I think that'll be great. So, but I really like the spine. It's already almost, what, 1 3/4 inches, and it's kind of rounded. So I was able to get 2 of those. So looks like that is my Dollar Tree haul. But let's go ahead and see what we got. It's because it's kind of fun, you know. It's like opening. There we go. I don't remember which one's which, you guys. Oh, look at, they're on the back. This one is Best Friend Bear. Best Friend Bear. And I'm going to be more careful. I think I'm going to open it from down here because I can use this packaging. Now I could use it this way. If I cut it this way, I can use both sides. That's what we'll do. And this one, what is he? Funshine Bear or something like that? No, he's a rainbow all the way across this time. Cheer Bear. So there's Cheer Bear. Congratulations if you guessed who it was before I looked it up. Next. So, and let me know if you would be interested in a Care Bear embellishment kit. Oh, look at, he's got the music notes. So what is his name? His name is Heart Song Bear. Heart Song Bear. And oh, look at, he's got, look at, he's got painting things on his tummy. Who is he? Not Laugh a Lot. Oh, he's all different colors. Work of Heart. Oh my gosh. Look at him. Look at him. Oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my. He's so cute. I might have to keep him for myself. Work of Heart. Work of Heart. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. It, like I said, I went in there looking for unicorns. The only thing that I found was that sticker sheet that actually had unicorns, but some of the flowers and other things I will be able to use, and I do love, I think these are going to be great in that journal. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. I do have several Dollar Tree haul videos, as well as Goodwill and Michael's, and people give me stuff. So do check those out. I'll put the haul video playlist in the description box down below. And there you go. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy shopping. Have a great day. Bye. Bye-bye.